Good morning, everybody. Today is March 24th, 2020. It is about 8:38 a.m. and yeah, I have some Target groceries back there. I got some more groceries over here. I need to freaking put them in the fridge like ASAP. Hey, be nice. Be nice, Mooney. Moon is so aggressive with like the girl cats. I don't know. Our other boy cat was like that too. I don't know if it's like a gender thing. Now he's stuck to my sweater. I know you're a good boy at heart, deep inside, but you are so naughty. Like straight up, like last night, he would not like shut the up. Like, don't get me wrong, I'm so grateful for my cats and I love them so much, but they are a huge responsibility and sometimes it gets on my nerves, especially when I'm trying to sleep and all Moon wants to do is knock stuff over on my dresser and like attack the bed. Like he always attacks the bed because I think the other cat, Bella, she likes to like sleep under there sometimes. So I think he can smell her through the bed and like hear her and stuff. And so it just like, it winds him up. It gets him going. But anyways, my stepdad basically scored these for us, which is like insane because there ain't shit at the stores right now. I'm sure all you guys have been knowing that. It's so insane, dude. But not only did I get one roll of paper towels, I got two. So thank you, Mario. Thank you, Mama. Cat hips are so funny. Alright, so thank God for this tofu. Oh, thank God for this butter. Oranges. Nice. Or are these like clementines? I don't know. Ooh, mangoes? Yummy. I want to smell it. Oh, I love mango. So I am just going to put all these groceries away and then I have to go downstairs and do some laundry.
You wind the streets and the fabled bazaars with a cardamom cluttered stars.
forgot to bring my face mask because I ain't trying to get infected by this virus right now. Straight up. Anyways, I just have to add some money to my laundry card right now.
You could take the ice cream back.
Thank you. So, hey guys, we are just playing
Let's
chalk. We bought these fun ones.
cream.
This one is so
Another
cute.
one, popsicle.
Popsicle. What are you trying?
I am this is the uplosion right here.
Want to say hi to the vlog?
I
Feels so good to be outside, get some fresh air. We've been inside for like so many days. The color Pluto pink.
I made a hypno ring from Captain Underpants movie.
You did. When we used to do chalk like every single day during summertime, when you were like 2 or 3.
Yeah.
It was so fun.